Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can connect your AOC monitor to PS5. So from the back, from the bottom, you're gonna have for your AOC monitor, you can have HDMI opening, and you want to have HDMI cable like this that you're gonna connect to your monitor, and then on a PS5, you're gonna have also you're gonna have HDMI here. And you're just gonna connect it, and that's it. Super simple. So you're gonna connect the AOC monitor with the PS5 this way. So hope it helped you how you're gonna connect it. If it doesn't work out, and if you have, let's say, VGA only, then you need to have adapter that you need to buy and use. So you're gonna connect the VGA to the VGA adapter and the HDMI to the PS5.